I'm tackling my clothes. That is daunting to think about. I feel like as people we naturally collect things just to fill our space, because so I have collected so much things, and today I'm gonna tackle it. The reason we hold on to so much things is a lot sometimes like, oh, I'm gonna wear this in the future, or sentimental reasons. So I'm gonna have 8 questions I'm gonna go through for each item that I'm not, do I want to keep this or do I not? And that's gonna help me make the decision either to just get rid of something. And here are the 8 questions. I got this question from Pinterest when I was like looking for tips on how to declutter. I am not a professional declutterer. It's just something that I think we all need to do here and there, just to make our life a little bit easy and less messy. Question 1, have I used this in a year? If you haven't used this in a year, get rid of it because you're not gonna wear it. And the reason it's a year, like not 6 months, is because in a year you've been through all the seasons. So if you haven't worn it in winter, summer, spring, you're not gonna wear it. So if you have not worn it in a year, get rid of it. 2, if I was shopping right now, would I buy this? And if your answer is no, then get rid of it because it means it's no longer your style and you're not gonna wear it, or you just don't need it. Is the only thing holding you from tossing this item is because you don't want to waste money? Are you holding on to this for sentimental reasons? Do you have similar items in your closet that looks the same or serves the same purpose as this item that you're thinking about throwing away? Do you have any plans to use it in the next 4 months? Does it fit me or my living space? And then the last question, are you holding on to items that are broken or need to be fixed? I promise if you look in your closet, there's pieces in your closet that are broken and you don't plan on fixing them because you don't want to waste money on fixing them. So my question is, why are those items that are broken that you can't wear still in your closet? Okay, so now I'm ready to declutter. I am scared, but I'm ready to do this because I think it has to be done, because my closet is becoming a walking tornado, and there's items in this closet I don't even know that I have anymore. Now I'm ready to set a timer. did not realize how many jackets and blazers I had until I did this. And literally I've been trying on jackets and blazers for the past like 10 minutes. The reason I have a lot of jackets is I get cold so easily, so I need to have jackets that can work with any single look, that can work from working out to casual to classy events. So I have collected a lot, but there are pieces in here that I have not worn in over 2 years. Like this jacket, really super cute. It's just I've never worn it. It's just never been something I've styled. And this jacket, gray color, but again, it's just something I have not worn. So these two are going in the sell pile. I like to use to hang my clothes are these velvet one because like they're non-slip, so my outfits or my clothes stay on here and don't fall off the hanger. So, and I got these from a dollar store, so pretty affordable. I want to put this top on, but I absolutely love it. It's just too much of a hassle to put on right now, but it's really cute. This is going to the donation pile because I've had this in my closet for a very long time and I don't rarely wear it, so there's no need for it to be here still. Go to gray sweater. I think everybody should have a pair of gray sweater because literally I've had this for almost 2 years, but I wear it every single winter or every single time it's cold because it's just so comfortable and it's so cozy. So this one, I'm keeping. It's getting hot to put on sweaters. I'm just gonna hold these on my body and I apologize, but I'm just not gonna keep putting these on. I'm gonna get them sweaty. But another sweater that I love, this is a bell sleeve sweater and I love it. It keeps you really warm. In LA, it doesn't get that cold, but when it gets cold, this is actually just perfect. I can just wear this by itself without needing a coat over it. Sweater. Love this sweater, especially the color. My favorite part about this sweater is the back. It's all lace up back. So I'm definitely gonna bring this out for the... Okay. Got this top when I first moved to California because I wanted a shirt that said California or Venice Beach for a photo. And I don't think I ever wore it for the photo and I don't think I've worn it again. But it's just a great top to keep for working out or just like lounging at home. So, great workout shirt. I have a lot of just simple workout or just lounge t-shirts because I think you can never have enough of these personally because a lot of the times I'm not dressed up, dressy or like wearing dresses. I just like being oversized t-shirts. This one, I have this one. This is a blue shirt. This is my headshot shirt because the color really looks good on my skin tone and it just makes me pop. So I literally mostly wear this for headshots or for photo shoots. And I have a couple of pieces in my closet specifically for shooting, for like modeling jobs or acting gigs that I know will pop against my skin really well. But it's just not my everyday style. Like I've done commercials before where I have to be a business office looking type. And I have pieces that I can wear for those auditions or wear on those shoots, but it's not something I would necessarily wear on a daily basis because it's just not me. I don't work in an office. This is just a basic white top that I can wear with pretty much any look. I think every single girl should have a basic white button-up top. It can be any type, but you just need a simple basic one because it can go with a lot of looks and can complete a lot of looks and just my camera cut off, so I don't know where it cut off. But the reason I think every girl needs just a basic long sleeve button up white shirt, it goes with everything. It's really great. It's an essential, it's a basic essential you need in your closet. You would get a lot of wear out of this, more than you think, because you can style it in so many different ways and it will look bomb as F. These are honestly my go-to shorts. I love them.